Welcome back, viewers. We have big breaking news coming in at this point of time. Terror hub Pakistan has shown its face once again. Pak's terror links literally caught on camera. Top terror commander eliminated. We are speaking of the Burhan funeral, and you have the top terrorists who had attended, including the Hizbul chief attending the funeral. Heavy security also was there. Terrorists at the funeral, armed men with AK-47 deployed. Pak hosting high-profile terrorists so very openly, and we have obviously the visuals also coming in. My colleague Ankit joining us live on the broadcast. Ankit, this is obviously the face of Pakistan, the face of Terroristan being exposed in front of the world.
Pakistan has exposed once again. Times Now has accessed the exclusive visuals of the funeral of Hamza Burhan. Look at these visuals. The top terror organization, Hizbul Mujahideen's top commander, Mr. Sayyid Salahuddin, along with the Al-Badr chief, Aqsa Zameen Khan, who has attended the funeral of the Hamza Burhan, who was the top commander of Al-Badr and was involved in many terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir. The top Hizbul Mujahideen chief, Sayyid Salahuddin, Basis Zameen Khan, they were protected by the bodyguards of the terror groups. And look at these, they are walking freely on the streets with the arms and the ammunitions, and this clearly shows how Pakistani army, Pakistani government and the Pakistan's ISI supports the terror
literally, you're right. Who's who of terrorism literally at the funeral. Top terror brass attending the funeral of another terrorist, Hamza Burhan. Tell us more about Hamza Burhan and also who all attended the funeral and the presence of the security personnel. What does it show about the type of safe haven Pakistan is today for terrorists, or rather has always been?
Hamza Burhan was the top commander of Al-Badr. He was involved in 2020, where in Pulwama, where the CRPF convoy was attacked. Along with that, he was main recruiter, planner and the executor for the Al-Badr in Jammu and Kashmir to recruit the youth into the terror groups. Now, in the Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, Muzaffarabad, he was hit. After that, he was being shifted to the hospital where he was undergoing with the surgeries. But yesterday morning at 5:20 a.m., he was declared dead. After that, his funeral, his body was took to the Islamabad for the funeral in Burhan town, where the top brass of the Hizbul Mujahideen and the Al-Badr terror commanders, not only that, but the chief of the Hizbul Mujahideen, Sayyid Salahuddin, and the Al-Badr chief attended the funeral of the Hamza Burhan, and they were protected and they were surrounded by their bodyguards. Openly, they were having the guns, the arms, ammunitions. You can clearly see in the visuals which has been accessed by the Times Now, and this clearly shows that how Pakistani army, Pakistani ISI and the Pakistani government is giving a shelter to the India's most wanted terrorist in Pakistan.
Absolutely. Pakistan exposed once again. This is the true face of Terroristan, as we can see on camera. We had obviously this particular funeral, viewers, to give you a little context into what is happening and what you're seeing on screen. Top terror commanders attending this particular funeral being held in Pakistan. You had terrorist Hamza Burhan, who had been eliminated earlier. He had been killed and he was buried in Islamabad. And this is where in Islamabad, where the funeral was held in the presence of some several top terrorists. This truly shows how Pakistan, and it truly shows how Pakistan has become a safe haven for terrorists. Now we are shifting our focus